Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take a look at Nova Smart Ring. The model is Nova R. The material is titanium alloy, and before continuing with the Smart Ring, first we are going to take a look at the ring sizer. If you go on the Nova Ring website, it's novaring.com, you will find the Nova R, which has a price of $179 US. You can save 10%. You can get this Nova ring sizing kit for free, or if you already know your ring size, you can go ahead and select here. It's from 6 to 13. You can get 1 year coverage for $30 US, 2 years coverage for $50 US, which includes 1 replacement opportunity of the ring, covers accidental damage, and covers lost or theft. Or you can just select no Nova Ring Care Plus coverage. But I would recommend you get at least 1 year of coverage for $30 US. First, I received the sizer. This is the instructions. You can pause and read it here. Now, I went with the size 13. I have big hands, but size 11 fits on my wedding ring finger. But you have options from 6 to 13. Now let's continue with the unboxing of the Smart Ring. After we open the box, as you saw, we are presented with a little greeting, and this is the ring. This is the usual paperwork, manual instruction and quick start guide. This is the ring charging dock. This is the charging cable. It's Type C on one side and Type A on the other, and this cable is for the dock here. This is the ring. This is the inside of the ring. As you can see, the Smart Ring is charging. This was just a quick unboxing video. I will post more videos with this ring in the following days. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.